Hello everyone. Today we will see how to make a no-bake, healthy oats peanut butter bars. To make these delicious bars, we need 1 cup of peanut butter. You can use either the crunchy or the smooth peanut butter. Along with this, we need 1 cup of dark chocolate. I'm using dark chocolate. You can use milk chocolate as well. Now we need to melt this together. I'm going to melt it in my microwave. Heat it for about 30 to 40 seconds and then mix it well till it all comes together. You can heat it again. If it's not melting, then heat it again and mix it well till it's nice and smooth like this. Next, get your pan ready because the oats will set quickly. I'm using an 8-inch pan. Grease it well and use a parchment paper so that we can take the bars out easily. Now in a saucepan, add some butter. I've given all the ingredients list in the description box. Melt the butter. Then to this we are adding jaggery. I have used jaggery. You can use brown sugar also. Mix this jaggery and the butter well. Initially it won't combine, but keep mixing and whisking, it will come together. Then add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Mix it well. I'm using rolled oats. We need 3 cups of oats. You can use rolled oats or the instant oats as well. If using this rolled oats, remember that we need to cook this oats for a little longer than the regular instant oats. So mix it along with the butter and the sugar and cook for about 8 minutes in medium heat. Once the oats is cooked well, transfer about 2/3 of this mixture into our baking dish and press it tightly. I've got remaining a little more oats left to sprinkle on top. Add about 3/4 of the chocolate mixture over this oats and spread it evenly. Now sprinkle the remaining oats over the chocolate and press it lightly. Add the remaining chocolate over the oats. You can also put it in a piping bag and drizzle a pattern over it, but I just dropped some chocolate here and there. Now leave this in the refrigerator overnight. It has to set for about 10 to 12 hours. This is the next day. Our oats and peanut butter bar is set well. Remove it and you can cut into pieces. So this is a tasty and a healthy snack. This is very easy to make and it tastes delicious. Do try it out. Until next time, bye bye.